If you have a shaved steak and a head of a cabbage in your fridge right now, let me show you guys how to turn it into something delicious. Let me tell you, this dirty shaved steak cabbage recipe is so good, okay? It's something you didn't think you need, but it's so amazing, you're gonna have it on repeat. Let's get into it. First thing first, grab yourself a head of a cabbage. This is about a medium size. Slice it in the middle. Remove the core, just like this. That one. Remove the core, like this. And now we're going to dice it or chop. Not too fine and not too big, okay? Like this. And be very careful when you're cutting this. Now you have something like this. Now let's give it a quick wash. All right, I have my skillet on medium-high heat. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I have some shaved ribeye going in. And I make this recipe with ground beef before. So now we're going to try it with some shaved steak, why not? And I'm going to season that with my everything, Island Vibe everything seasoning, salt, pepper, and some paprika with Italian seasoning, okay? I'm going to cook that until it's no longer pink. A little bit more seasoning. And you can find the Island Vibe seasoning on my website, islandvibecooking.com. Or you can just click the link in the description box. Also, we're going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce for that flavor. I'm cooking the steak first because, you know, it's very thin. I don't want to overcook it, so I'm just gonna cook that first. And then we'll remove it and set it aside. It is time to remove the steak, as you can see. It's nice and cooked. I'm going to set that aside. For now, it smells so good, especially that Worcestershire sauce. I can really smell it. Ooh. And the everything seasoning has bell peppers in there, so you can smell the aroma of the bell pepper. Oh, it smells so good already. Turn that off. This is what you have so far. We're going to set that aside. To the same skillet, go ahead and add a little bit more oil. I'm going in with some onions, bell peppers. Any color would work, but I'm using red. I'm going to saute the onion and the bell peppers until they're nice and soft. And the onion is nice and translucent. I like to cook the onion first. I'm going to add some garlic, but in about 30 seconds. Now I add my garlic. This is 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Love the aroma of garlic. Once you start smelling the garlic, you can go ahead and add some flour. About a tablespoon. We're going to fry that. Fry the flour. Now I go ahead and add my cabbage just to allow it to kind of saute a little bit. Add a little bit of broth so it's not burning. That's chicken broth. Add that in. Now you can add some sausage to this if you like, some andouille sausage, you know. Now we're going to season it with the remaining of that seasoning we had. The Island Vibe everything seasoning, paprika, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning. That's what I have in here. My cabbage has been simmering. It's kind of like very soft, as you can see. Now is the perfect time for me to add my shaved ribeye. So we're going to add that in. Smells so good. This is literally a quick recipe. Low carbs. You can add some rice too if you want to this, but this is very healthy and delicious. Of course, I'm going to add a little bit of chicken broth just to help it simmer some more. It looks really good, as you can see. About half a cup of chicken broth, and I'm just going to cover it, allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. I'm going to let it simmer on low for about 10 minutes because my cabbage cut very finely. It's not gonna take long. So if you're doing it, make sure you cut your cabbage finely so they can cook faster. This is literally a 30-minute meal. So good, so delicious, and yeah. All right, guys, our dirty cabbage is ready. Smells amazing. It's juicy too. It's not dry. Oh, this will fill you up, okay? Let's plate this delicious dish. Wow. All right, guys, you know this is my favorite part. Let's give it a try. This, I added some pepper flakes to it on top of it. It's so good. Like, you need a little kick. Wow, very flavorful. I can eat this all day, I'm telling you, but I can't eat cabbage that much. When you eat too much cabbage, you're just starting to have a, well, at least for me, I start getting a stomach ache. But this right here is so good. Try it. Let me know how you guys like it, because I'm about to sit down and really eat some, okay? And also, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. What are you going to pair this delicious, dirty Cajun steak cabbage recipe with? Leave me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe as much as I did. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.